Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by switching to natural display so inputs match printed math. This reduces transcription errors. Once done, type the expression exactly as on paper. Use parentheses for grouping and explicit operators for multiplication. You'll see fractions, exponents, and radicals displayed as you expect. That visual match helps you catch mistakes early. Make sure to correct any token highlighted by the UI before continuing, because a single missing parenthesis changes the result and wastes time later. Next, refine the expression using templates. Tap the fraction, root, or exponent templates so structures are entered cleanly. Once your expression is visible, evaluate to see intermediate formatting. You can tap any intermediate result to edit or expand it without retyping. If you need a numeric value, switch from exact to decimal mode. Conversely, return to exact to preserve symbolic terms. This saves time and keeps arithmetic transparent, enabling you to verify each step before moving on. Finally, confirm the final result and copy or export it to your document or clipboard. The natural display preserves format for copying. Before finishing, verify calculator settings such as radians versus degrees for trig and exact versus approximate output. If the answer looks wrong, reopen the input line and inspect for unmatched parentheses, implicit multiplication errors, or mistyped operators. Fix those and reevaluate. A quick mode check and parenthesis scan resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.